Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a very chilled, laid back plan with me video. I was in a very relaxed mood, also kind of sleepy. I had just woken up, but the days where I feel very unmotivated, I feel very slow and lazy, what I always do is I turn to my planner and it just gives me this boost of inspiration every time. I almost said boost of information. It gives me this boost of inspiration every single time. So that's why, like, I was having kind of a slow, crappy start to my day, and so I just sat down, grabbed my planner, and I decided to film the whole process with you guys. But just decorating it and planning out the upcoming week was just very therapeutic, and it helped turn my day completely around. And so a lot of times people ask, like, why are you so into planners? Like, why do you decorate so much? And it's because it actually does help me. Like, it helps me mentally, and it just makes my soul very happy. So that's why I love to plan. So I hope you guys enjoy this plan with me in my Erin Condren planner. If you want to pick up your own Erin Condren life planner, I will leave a link down below. I'll also be sure to link any of the products and stickers that I used in this plan with me video. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Get ready, my voice is about to change completely because right now I'm like way up here, but in a second you're gonna see my voice is like way down here. So I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a very chill, relaxing plan with me video. So I'm going to be planning my week and setting it up for Monday, February 25th until Sunday, March 3rd. So that's what we're going to work on in today's plan with me. I feel like my voice is a lot lower than normal, but that's just because I'm in a very like chill, relaxed mood. So for those that don't know, I use an Erin Condren hourly life planner. So it has the hours from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m., which I don't really use. If you look at like my past spreads, I basically just use it as like a fancy to-do list. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. But I wanted to use this sticker sheet that I've had since last year. I got this at Go Wild 2018 from the sticker shop Luckaty.etsy.com. Luckaty, I hope I said that right. But it's just like purple and it's really cute and pretty. This is like an awkward week because it's like finishing up February, which is like the pinkish reddish kind of color, and then moving into March, which is like the seafoam green color, which I really love, but they're like, it's awkward. So I decided to just go with purple. I don't really know my reasoning for that. And I also really wanted to use this because I've had it sitting in my collection for quite a while. So if you haven't heard of Go Wild yet, it's a huge planner conference that happens once a year. I went for the very first time last year and it was incredible, but they give you so much swag, like so much planner stickers. I ended up giving away like half of the stuff I got because it was just so much. This is one of the sticker sheets that I kept though because I thought it was so cute. So that's what I'm going to use today. And I also want to try out the new Erin Condren designer gel pens. So I mean, I'm really probably only going to use the black, maybe the purple, we'll see, but I want to use that. I do have my jar of pens here. Majority of them are the colorful dual tip markers from Erin Condren. I have some of the new hues in here as well. That's mainly what I use. So okay, that's the supplies for now at least. So let's just go ahead and jump on into the video. This is so cute. I don't really know where I want to start yet, but it's really, really cute. I feel like I want to use this box right here and then like see if I can put a cute little quote right here. So let me just go into my stickers real quick. So I have my little storage box of stickers here. I'm just gonna flip through to see if I can find like a quote that'll fit right there. You slay all day would be a good fit right there. Maybe I'll do that one. You slay all day. There we go. Look at that, it's pretty. And this is from Erin Condren, in case anyone is wondering. So we have like these bigger boxes right here. We have 4 of those, and then we have these smaller little boxes right there.
I think I'll use these for like appointments and stuff, and these bigger ones for like my videos that I have planned for the week. So let me go back to February and see. Okay, well I have 4 here, so we're gonna try and do 4 uploads. These stickers are paper stickers, so you can use any pen to write on top. There's some planner stickers where you have to use like a special Sharpie marker so it doesn't smear, but this one is just regular paper. Oh, look at this weekend sticker. Let's use this. Should I put it like that? Yeah, that looks kind of cute actually. So it's just like popping out of the little box right there. Okay, so for meetings, let's use these little boxes. I know for sure Monday night, I always have my church meeting. And then Thursday night, we've got Bible study. Let me go back to my monthly to see what else I have. Oh, I got a bill due on the 26th. So let's do a little marker for that. Oh, there's bill due stickers here. That's perfect. I usually like to put it at the top, but it doesn't look like it really fits right here. No, it doesn't. I'm gonna put it off. Oops, that was crooked. Yikes. We're going to put it off to the side like this. And I'll write what it is up there, even though I think you're supposed to put it in right there, but that's really, really tiny. So I'll write it there and then the amount right there. I think I want to use this one for church on Sunday. Look at how pretty this sticker is. Oh, I love that. That is gorgeous. Oh, we've got some little decorative flowers right here. Oh, maybe I'll put that right there. It's kind of pretty. Yeah, we don't have enough flowers on this side. Let me turn this sideways. Ooh, I like that. I think that looks really pretty. I should use these little workout stickers, huh? Because maybe if I put it down, it'll force me to actually get my butt out there to work out. Let's do every other day. I'm going to use the sticker that says this week and place this right over here. This will be like my to-do list for the week. Even though my planner is like a giant to-do list, I have things like that don't necessarily have a specific day, but things I should focus on. So that's what this column is for. This coffee and this girl sticker I think are so cute. I want to put this like right here. And she could have her little coffee. Just a little decorative corner right there. I love this sticker, but I don't really know what to use it for, to be honest. Oh, these little to-do things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I could put one on each day. Okay, I'm gonna put these cute little checkbox stickers. Or they're like hexagons. Is that what that shape is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? Is that a hexagon? Pentagon. That's 5, right? We're just gonna put these straight across. Oh, I'm loving how this is turning out so far. Okay, what else can we put on here? This date night sticker is cute. Maybe I'll put that on Sunday, because usually Sunday is mine and Johnny's date night. Honestly, I don't know what other stickers I could use. That's kind of all I have for like pre-planning. So I think I'm actually done with this sticker sheet. There's still a lot of really cool and awesome stickers here, but I just don't. This one I'm obsessed with. I love the little boxes. Like, these are just gorgeous. Now we're going to take the pens and I'm going to fill in the things that I already know. And like for here, I want to put like work all across. Maybe we'll do it in different colors, but we'll do work. So this little checkbox sticker can be for work. Does that make sense? Okay, so far that wasn't bad, and they dry pretty quickly. They don't smear, so that's nice. I like it does, I'm stuttering. It does remind me of my Muji pen. They're the same size, so that's nice. Now I'm going to take my colorful markers and go ahead and fill in work. And then what I like to do is I take this Tombow pen, and it's just like this really light gray, and I just quickly like outline it. It's super subtle, like you probably can't even see this, but I just like the shadow it adds. It gives it a little something special. And then I have a meeting here, so we can add that in. And then over here on Thursday, I have Bible study. And then over here on Sunday, we've got church. Okay, I think the last thing that I am going to do here is just write my workouts to help like motivate me. So these two, I'm going to be running 2 miles. These ones I'm going to be running 3 miles since it's March, a new month. So let's write that. Oh my gosh, it's like, it's almost as if it's like dying out or something. Okay, there we go, that looks good. No, see, look, it's back to skipping. It's not a very consistent pen, I'm noticing. Oh, that's breaking my heart. Oh, I forgot. Rent, I gotta put rent due. We'll use this little house sticker. Honestly, I feel like that's as much as I can fill in for now. This is like what decorating and pre-planning looks like for me, because every day I'll sit down. So like on Monday, I'll sit down and actually fill this out. So that's all I have for this plan with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Very chill, laid back, relaxing type of plan with me. I had fun using these stickers. I think they are so beautiful, and I'm excited to see what my planner looks like at the end of the week once it's all filled out. But so far, I think this is beautiful. This is like my favorite. I love the little flower accents. Oh, I'm dying over it. So I will leave a link down below if you want to check out the sticker shop. And I mean, there was a coupon code here, but it expired last year, so I'm totally sorry, guys. That was a fail on my part. But anyways, again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.